You ready to try some peas? What do you think? What do you think? How them peas? How them peas? They nummy peas? Are they nummy peas? Yeah? Pretty nummy? He's a good boy. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, what's that face for? Maybe not so nummy. Did you get a whole pea in there? I realize some of them aren't mashed up. I'm mashing them up now. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy, huh? Yeah, peas are good, huh? Peas are yummy. Yummy peas.